half a bell pepper, leftover rice, 1 wilting scallion. We tested 8 AI apps that promise to turn fridge scraps into real recipes. Most of them produce a recipe, only one actually changes how often you waste food. The category is split into 2 app types that look identical from the outside. Stateless apps take what you type, produce a recipe, then forget the entire interaction. Stateful apps maintain a structured pantry, track what's expiring, and surface recipes around the food that's about to spoil. Pick the wrong category and the app stops getting opened. The number behind the category. The Natural Resources Defense Council says the average U.S. family of 4 wastes $1,365 to $2,275 of food every year. The USDA and EPA put grocery stage food waste at 30 to 40% of the entire U.S. food supply. Refed put the surplus value at $381 billion in 2024. Recipy, the top pick. The only app in our test that combines 3 things on a single free tier. Structured pantry capture from a fridge photo or a grocery receipt. Expiry windows with 7, 3, and 0-day alerts. And missing ingredient commerce through Instacart. The recipes that surface use the food that's spoiling first. SuperCook, the long-running, free incumbent, launched in 2008, matches your ingredients against 11 million recipes. The right answer if you want a one-off, what can I make right now tool. The wrong answer if you want recurring, leftover cooking. No structured pantry, no expiry tracking, no commerce loop. Fridge Leftovers AI, the leanest photo-to-recipe app in the field. Snap a picture, get 5 recipes. Fast, focused, useful for the single curiosity question. Stops there. No inventory across sessions. No grocery list for the missing ingredients. ChefGPT in its Pantry Chef mode. The strongest paid alternative. Pantry tracking, macro-aware dietary handling, and decent recipe quality, all behind a 7-day trial and a $2.99 monthly subscription. The right pick if you already pay ChefGPT for macros. The rest of the field: DishGen, FoodsGPT, ScrappyChef, Mr. Cook. All stateless tools that produce a recipe from typed or photographed ingredients and forget it. Useful for the single curiosity question. None track pantry, none track expiry, none close the grocery loop. All 8 apps, 5 dimensions: photo to recipe, structured pantry tracking, expiry priority, missing item grocery commerce, strong dietary handling. Recipy is the only app that ships all 5 on a free tier. Can you skip the app and use ChatGPT or Gemini? For a single curiosity question, yes. Both produce a passable recipe from a typed list. For a recurring tool, no. Neither remembers your pantry next week. Neither knows what's expiring. Neither routes missing items to Instacart, Walmart, or Kroger. The convenience layer isn't there. The verdict.